In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Australia Post eParcel account to Shopify. First, we'll want to navigate to the left panel of your Shopify dashboard. Here, you'll notice a section labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you manage all of your Shopify apps, and today, we are going to add a new one. Once you've opened the Apps section, you'll see an option to add a new app. Click on this option to get started. Now, we need to go to the Shopify App Store to find the specific app we'll be using to connect your Australia Post account. In order to do this, let's head over to the Shopify App Store. Once there, we'll want to locate a particular app that will bridge the gap between Shopify and your Australia Post eParcel account. In the search bar, type in Plugin Hive Australia. This app is specifically designed to streamline the process of integrating your Shopify store with Australia Post's services. Once you've typed this in, hit search, and it should pop right up as one of the first results. Next, click on the Plugin Hive Australia app from the search results. You'll find a detailed description of everything it offers on the app's sales page, reassuring you that it's precisely tailored to facilitate your connection between Shopify and Australia Post. Once you're ready, click the Install button. The installation process should only take a few moments, and once complete, you'll notice that the app is now listed in your Apps section on the Shopify dashboard's left panel. Now that the Plugin Hive app is installed, the final step is to connect it to your Australia Post account. Go back to the left-hand panel where all your apps are listed and locate the Plugin Hive Australia app. Click on it to launch the app's interface. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your Australia Post account information or to follow a few easy steps to complete the connection. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to input your account details, and you'll have seamlessly integrated Australia Post eParcel with your Shopify store. And that's all there is to it. You're now set up to easily manage shipping through Australia Post directly from your Shopify dashboard. By using this connection, you'll simplify your shipping processes, making it more efficient to handle orders and fulfill them promptly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting your Shopify store fully linked with Australia Post. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to consult the help section of the Plugin Hive app or reach out to their support team for further assistance. Until next time, happy selling.